Are you going to lose the buyer for your home over your home inspection? That's a good question, and it's worth asking, especially if you're considering selling your home. In a moment, we're going to tell you how to get our key report, 11 costly home inspection traps to know weeks before listing, and how to get that for free. But right now, here's one that comes up a lot, and it's the roof. So you say, well, my roof is fine, it doesn't leak. When was the last time you got on top of your roof? A professional could indicate problems. Go into the attic, see some things that could be suspect for you. It could cause you to lose the buyer, could cause you to have to go back on the market, and could cost you thousands. So right now, here's how to get that special report for free. 11 costly home inspection traps to know a week before listing your home. Just call me or message me, Gary Evans, Evans Realty Group, 832-721-0442. If you find this information helpful, please like it, share it with a friend. We're also happy to let you know that out of every real estate transaction we do, we donate a significant portion of our income to the kids at Texas Children's Hospital. So your business and your referrals really do help the kids at Texas Children's, and we thank you for that. I hope everybody's having a great day. We're going to talk to you really soon, and thanks for watching.